All right, back we go. It is February. What is today's date? February 27th. Losing track of time here, losing track of days. All right, checking out some different stocks today for the week ahead. See what futures are at right now. Minus 494. Dow Jones, the rest are pretty heavily get crushed. NASDAQ minus 339. Let's check out MULN. So this stock, died down pretty hard. I didn't notice this before. MULN is Mullen Automotive. They are electric vehicle company, manufacture, distribute electric vehicles. It also operates CarHub, digital platform that leverages AI, offer interactive solution for buying, selling, and owning a car. Provides battery technology and emergency point of care solutions. Founded 2014, based in Bree, California. Not much on FinViz on this. I see 21 million market cap, income minus 80 million. I don't see sales. Insiders own 28%. That's pretty good. Institutions don't really own this, 3.3%. I don't see the float. Recent news, they were featured by Ward's Auto, company's hybrid, retail model, EVs, manufacturing battery, tech highlighted. Bounces after, this is the 17th, after a record losing streak. As EV maker says, it's unaware of reason for sell-off. Mullen Automotive issues letter to shareholders. Successful consumer EV study reveals Mullen 5 scores high against Tesla Model Y and Mach E. Losing track here. All right. Let me see here. What else here? Going back, this is all February news. So, it's an EV stock in that sector. They've been crushed pretty hard. Just reading here some stock twits. Like to see what people are thinking here. This guy thinks it's going to the 70s. Crazy. All right, so let's look at the chart here. Going back in this, let's look at the monthly. This has done two splits. Looked like this formed in October 31st, 2012. This has been around a while. It came crashing down. Then you had two splits in 16 and 17. And you can see in the weekly here. 2020, this broke out in June, and really spiked up big time to 20 level. And then came back to the 6 level. Then it back and forth. It spiked up again. Not quite as high, 14, 16. It did channel this 10 and 12 level, 10 to 12 level, and then really washed down to below 8, 7-ish. And one more spike. And this big red candle here with the spiking candle, shooting star type of candle really got crushed here. This is the weekly. You can see on the weekly, you have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 red candles at a 14. Then right now you have 2 little green candles. This has been crushed. The lowest level too, at this point, 72 cents. It's never been this low. You have tremendous volume down here. Look at the daily. So you can see this, this went up back in 2020, 2021. This really is in a sideward channel. A downward channel, down pretty tight. So you can see from this point, December, another, you get 3 connection points. And then you have here pretty much riding this low wick. And look at the volume down here, 115 million. And from the low was 58 cents and the high was 84. That's a really small candle though. Look at that volume, it's massive. And then this bearish move here, you had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 15 red candles in a row from 350 to 72 cents about. This has been crushed. The volume increased. Then you had a big candle here that was and this is bullish. The bullish volume is white on my chart here. And red is bearish. This is weird, but it's a bearish candle. Strange. And then it's holding this 50-cent level to low here. It was 62 cents. In penny stocks, you have 25, 50, 75, $1. 50-cent level, 72. What's going to happen with this stuff? Very oversold. The reason this washed down, EV stocks were getting crushed. They just shorted this. Probably NASDAQ was getting crushed too. Is this part of the NASDAQ? I don't know if you can see in here. It says. But, if it is the NASDAQ, I'm really getting hammered. Can this go below 50? Anything's possible. This volume tells me something is up. You don't see volume like that at all. So either we're going to get a reversal or, maybe shorts jump in. They might be buying here to reverse and they, bought here at this level thinking it's going to spike up. After, move from 16 down to 72 cents is incredible. So that volume is very strange down here. Either they're looking for a spike, they're buying this at 72 cents. They're figuring, this is a great bargain right here. Stock that dropped that much. Or maybe something else is up. Maybe I'm missing something here. Short interest. Someone has wrote short interest on stock splits. I mean, even if this goes a little bit lower, unless, this is going bankrupt or something, it doesn't make sense. This is an all-time low here. There could be a time to get in. Look at stochastics. Draw your line right here. And you draw it right here. You have a triangle on stochastics, descending triangle. So the high keeps getting lower, lower. And eventually on that, see, on stochastics, you can't go much lower than 1. So this is going to spike up, it tells me. Yeah, this is one to keep an eye on. If this does, look for $1 break. And I'm looking back here. Yeah, that's pretty far away. But $1 to, this 2 level, maybe up to 3. This really moves. And then you have 23.6 fibs level. I drew from this high. It'll be at 5 if this really makes a move up. So, they're my targets. On this is go each dollar up to that 5. It's 5's a pretty big line right here. In stock trading, at 25, 50, 75, $1. And then you have, $5 level, 10, 15, 20, so on. So MULN is interesting. Let me just read this right here. Letter to shareholders. Let's see what they say here. All right, this is letter to shareholders. They had solid progress going public November 5th, 2021. Highlights: Mullen on track to deliver first EV cargo van fleet vehicles Q2. High performance version late summer 2022. Mullen purchased Tunaka's AMEC manufacturing facility. Free and clear, no associated debt with the property. World debut of Mullen 5, Los Angeles Auto Show. Won Best SUV Zeva Zero Emission Vehicles. Recently earned media coverage of Mullen in over 40 publications. Successful completion of extensive consumer EV market study revealing Mullen 5 scored high against Tesla Model Y and Ford Mach-E. That's interesting. All right, well, this is the next Tesla. You're at 72 cents, so this is pretty good down here if you're looking to buy down here. But anyway, so stock 72 cents. It seems like a great bargain from 16 to me. Heavy volume down here. Keep an eye on this. Something seems up. When you see heavy volume down there, something's up. Either, this is going down even further or you're going to spike here. On this, I would watch that 50-cent level. If this 50 holds, we start moving. It's a great spot in penny stock land, of course, 50 cents. If not, this is going to a quarter. We will see. I like the risk reward here. So watch these levels and we'll see if we get more information on this. And let me just see too here. What else we got here? Unaware reason of sell-off. Let me see here. Company is unaware of any business reasons for the current decline in stock. Plummeted 76% last 11 closing days. Stock had undergone a reverse split in 2017. And that's all it says there. Yeah, they're shorting it to death. That's why. Unaware of why it's going down. Well, the NASDAQ, a lot of EV stocks were crushed. You know, it's getting hammered. A lot of stocks are getting hammered like this. So maybe that's the reason. No specific reason. I've seen this before where the company has no idea what a stock's going down because they have no clue. They have no idea what's going on in the stock market and why stocks go down. You know, they want it to go down. They're shorting the hell out of it. And for different reasons, because the NASDAQ's getting crushed, plus Dow Jones SPY, everything's getting crushed. And it's not a reason is to jump in there. And eventually it'll be time not to short. So, you know, that's where we're at in the stock. Very interesting. And watch for these, moves to the upside or that 50-cent level right now. That's it. Please subscribe to Mike Heyman Trade Alerts on YouTube. Smash the like button. Check out in my links below or social media if you want to connect. And that's it.